Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you what you can do if your Bosch Tassimo Happy is not recognising when the lid is closed. So I've got a pod in it, and every time I put it down you will see that this will flash. That's good, that's what you want it to do, because it means it's recognising the pod and the lid. But if that doesn't flash, it could be because this little switch here is not working properly. So this little switch is what recognises the lid being closed. In fact, you can see if I turn off the light here that every time I press it in, the red light will light up for the barcode reader. So if yours is not doing that, it could be a faulty switch, and it might be blocked up with coffee. So maybe it's not being pressed in properly, or the contact might not be made because of dirty, watery coffee. So what you should do is unplug it. So I'm going to unplug it from the mains. And then if you were to get some isopropyl alcohol or contact cleaner and give it a good spray all around in here and repeatedly do this, hopefully a bit of it might work its way into the actual switch, and then the contact might be made again. And then when you plug it back in after you've given it a good clean, hopefully you will see that every time you would do this, the red little light will light up there, or when you put your pod in and close it, it will flash down here, and that way then you know that it's recognising the lid. Thanks for watching.